Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So Solana has come into this yellow support area that we talked about in the previous video. This support area is located between the 78.6% FIB level and the 50% FIB level, so between 1181 and 1295. That is an ideal support area for a wave 2 or a wave B. Doesn't really make a difference in the short term. Just depends on which kind of wave pattern is playing out here now. To the upside, either an ABC or a 5-wave move. Doesn't really make a great difference in the short term here. So in both scenarios, as long as we're holding above 1181 and don't substantially drop below that, we could expect a move to the upside afterwards. And target for that move would be, depending on how low we really go here, but let's assume we go down to 1181 maybe. Target would then be around $18.30 here for either a wave C or a wave 3. And then it really depends on, do we hold a wave 4 support or not? And can we get another wave 5? You know, if we get the wave 4 support, we'll stretch out once more in a wave 5. That would be slightly more bullish short term, but also would most likely not well, it would at least be the scenario that's needed for a breakout, but I'm very, well, at the moment, I can't see that yet, right? I can't see it. It's impossible to confirm that the low is in or not. I primarily still look for another low for Solana, generally. These patterns here to the upside just reflect some short-term upside potential, as long as we're holding 1181. These scenarios are based on the situation or assumption that, well, you know, you could argue that the bear market low was in here and that 5 waves down are complete, yeah, and that this move down could finish off this larger wave 2. So this is, of course, technically possible. We could say, okay, the low is really in and we're now moving up in 5 waves. So this would be technically possible, and we can explore that if we indeed get exactly those 5 waves to the upside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When we get those 5 waves up, and that would be a good indication that a low has been made, but it would not be enough to really confirm it. It would not even be necessarily a strong indication. I'll explain in a minute why. What would be crucial is that the following retracement in an ABC pattern holds support. If we hold wave 2 support in this retracement, I can't give you an accurate number for that yet, because we don't really know how high will this 5-wave move go, if it is one. If we hold wave 2 support, then we can say with greater certainty that Solana has made a substantial low. So this 5-wave move up and 3-wave move down is absolutely important. Why is this so important? Well, if we don't get the 5 waves up and 3 down, then this, my assumption will be, and that is the primary expectation actually, that the move that we've seen here was, let me just show you that as well. I think I just need to okay, yeah, I think I need to make some just change here. So this could very well just have been a wave 3. Oh no, 1 second. This is a wave 3. This here could be the wave 4, as we've got it on some other charts at the moment, and the wave 5 might still be to follow. Okay, so in this wave 3 then, so this wave 3 was finished here around, yeah, what did I say? Around $12, right? And then we can say that we've made a wave A, a wave B down, and this could be a wave C in 5 waves. And this could, without a problem, stretch into that price region, okay? So looking at the FIBs for a possible wave 4, we've got here the 50% FIB level, which is the 25.70 level. So it could, without a problem, stretch to $25.70 without invalidating the idea of a wave 4. That's why a 5-wave move up alone will not prove or be evidence or even show us with a high likelihood that a low has been made, because it could just be the C wave of a wave 4. A, B, C. And the C wave consists of 5 waves. But only if it is a real breakout pattern, then we would hold the support in the following move down and would stretch higher. If it indeed is a wave 4, we would break down afterwards in a wave 5. So it's really, and I said that before, until we get above that 2570 level here, my view is that we are most likely still going to come down and make a new low. Happy to change my view if we hold wave 2 support. So this could be a wave 1 up, wave 2 down, but then this would be a possible entry point, the wave 2 retracement. Until then, I think either we go up and come down, make a new low, or we go down straight away. Yeah. And the reason is just the weakness in the chart. We are below the 88.7% FIB level. That is located at around $29. Below that level, any coin is in trouble. Yeah, generally at risk, which doesn't mean it needs to die, but it means it will take a considerable amount of time and effort to get this coin back to a new all-time high. It is just what it is. That's why I don't hold any Solana in my HODL portfolio. It is just what it is, and surely short-term upside possible, but generally this could stretch down much further to maybe, $5 would be an interesting price, I think, where... But then even then, it will take a long time to get back to new all-time highs, I think. So at the moment, until we have a real bottom signal, I wouldn't touch it because it's just too uncertain. And there are much better charts out there, And even if, bear in mind, if let's say we make this wave 4 up, then we would still come down in 5 waves. So... can't really give you a clear target for that yet, but it would then look like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this could stretch down to these levels. If I look at let's say the wave 4 would stretch up to around $25, and then in terms of possible targets, we take a length of the wave 1 here. Let me just zoom out. We take the length of the wave 1. Because that's one way of how you can calculate a wave 5 target. Take the length of the wave 1, and we assume, okay, we might really get up to $25.70. Then the very first target that you would normally look at here is the 1-to-1 ratio of around $7.20. So this is actually where I already marked some support areas before, here between 640 and 760. So that would be maybe an ideal level to end this bear market. Okay, and that's my update about Solana. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.